Hi, your professor Dallmann-Jones here, and this is for 618 about Chapter 7. I wanted to give you a little discussion, one-way discussion, I suppose, on why I started in the middle of the book, which would seem to me to be a question a student would ask themselves, like, why isn't he saying, okay, read the introduction and Chapter 1 and come to class and, then we'll do Chapter 2. Why would he start with Chapter 7 and why intelligence? Well, it's my belief system that we're in the intelligence business. If education, our job as educators, if schools aren't about intelligence, what are they about? I hate to think of the answer if it isn't about intelligence, and we needn't go there, I guess. So, first of all, there's a reason, and the reason is because I believe that's what we should be about, is about helping children be intelligent. Now, I'm going to cut to the chase on one idea right now. It's not a question about how intelligent are children. The question is, if you're a real professional, a real thinker, is how are children intelligent? And we all know by now Gardner's 7 intelligences, of which there are actually 10, but we won't get into that either. And that's his statement, not mine, when he says not how intelligent are children, but how are children intelligent. And you know yourself, you have relatives or friends who are extremely intelligent outdoors, or with math, but not with language, or they're really good at athletics, but not very good at science, for example. So our problem as an education is we only look at mathematical, scientific, and the English language usually as the acceptable arenas of intelligence. And if you're not good in those, well then, you're just kind of second class. I refute that, and I think you should too, but I don't want to shit on you. I guess I just did, but sorry. I apologize genuinely. So that's why we start with Chapter 7. Now, notice also that a big word right here on the first page is the word beliefs. That would make me wonder. Beliefs and intelligence. Beliefs and intelligence. Intelligence and beliefs. What's the relationship? Well, again, you will have another book later on in this course called Primary Domino Thinking that will actually help to bring a lot of this course together. And it's kind of a big circle. We start here, we go through a few things, we come back to the starting point, but at a different level. So basically this chapter says intelligence and beliefs are inextricably intertwined. It's not about cold hard facts like an IQ score would make you think. How intelligent is he? 136. Like that sleep mattress commercial. I'm a 31. I'm a 16. All right. Intelligence is shifting, changing, and varied, and beliefs are huge in the arena of intelligence. And that's why it's mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the sub-index in this chapter. So I would be real curious about that as a student, about intelligence, beliefs, and why we're starting with that chapter, just to begin with. So go back and look at that chapter again with that mindset about beliefs and intelligence. And here's the question, or questions. How powerful are beliefs about intelligence in terms of determining intelligence? How important, what role does intelligence play in your belief system? What are beliefs? What is intelligence? There are no clear-cut answers that stand the test of running them past everybody. I have my ideas, you have yours. But for now, go back and look at the chapter, just for those two concepts and how they intertwine throughout the chapter. What is intelligence? What's the power? What's the role of beliefs in intelligence?